Mommy, yeah, me just did want to ask if you could have lent me money for pay the rent. I know you did help me the last time, but I really need it. Mommy, yeah, be unfair. I actually need to go private school. Because it's a better opportunity for her, mommy, and you know that too. I want she get the best in her life. But I want she go private school. If you know it, just say so. You know if you go along about everything we are talk about. If you know the money, just tell me so. Alright, mommy, me talk to you another time. Obviously, you're upset. Oh, what is that smell? Ashley, why you outside that ram? Are your uniform dirty? Go change your uniform. I'm gonna see why you out here play ball. You want boy? Go in the house, man. How much time if you tell yourself for when you reach home if you go in the house, go bathe and change and take off your uniform? Eh? This could get us, man.
Mommy, are you cook oxtail again?
Look again, banana oxtail money, alright? We're eating macaroni and cheese.
Really, Dad? I don't like that.
So call your father and ask him to buy your oxtail then.
Daddy say want me to live with him and his wife.
Well, that's not gonna happen. You tell your daddy if he want a picnic, him gonna make one with his wife. I don't understand your father. Him want you to come live with him, but when I ask him for money, him don't want to give me the money for you. So in order for him to take care of you, you have to go live with him. It's not gonna happen. You not go for your dinner? If you don't want to eat this, you can go make a sandwich. Look, girl, you know, say your chest too high. Your chest really too high. Look, I'm gonna make this food for you and you don't even want to eat it. I don't know where me get you from. Mr. Pineda, I'm sorry, but I don't have the rent.
Amanda, this is the second time now you not give me the rent. I need you to come out, you know.
Please, just give me some time. I'll get paid from work and then I'll come give you back your money for the rent, okay?
I should like your little girl is going to private school, so you can afford private school but you can't afford the rent. And not even what you now ask you for.
Listen, my mother they are foreign and she said she'll give me the money for the rent. When I get the money, I'll call you and give it to you, alright? I'll give you an extra 2 months rent. I'll give you 2 months rent when I get the money, I promise you.
This is the last time I will ask you for this. Next time, you have to leave, alright? Because I want my people want something, especially at this price.
I swear upon my life, I'll give you the money, Mr. Pinedo. Hello, my name is Amanda. How may I help you today?
Oh, Amanda, you have a very lovely voice.
Thank you so much, sir, but what would you like me to help you with today?
I would like you to help me with something, but you must listen very carefully to me.
Alright, sir, I'm listening.
Could I make you an offer, Amanda?
Sir, please, this is for support. If you want help, then you call. You're not supposed to be calling if it's a prank call, sir.
Your daughter name is Ashley, right? Alright, now like come here and pay attention. I know you're in need of money. So this will not only benefit you, it will benefit me as well. So listen very carefully. I'm going to send my number to you through an email. And I want you to contact me. Don't send nothing else. You don't have to worry about anything. Your manager will not hear this conversation. I've already have it deleted. Now Amanda, remember, contact me. It will benefit you very well.
Hi, it's me, Amanda.
That was fast. I'm here contemplating whether or not you rushed in the bathroom to talk to me about your daughter. or to talk to me about what I mentioned earlier.
Listen there, minute in the movie now. Tell me all you know about my daughter. All you know.
No worry about that. I can tell you what the first thing Mama do for me.
But who tell you say me will do anything for you?
Please don't make me laugh, Amanda. Why you leave your desk and call me then? Sounds like you're really desperate. And don't worry about this good job way off. The money what me I go pay you, I go be quadruple the amount them pay you a month.
Alright, man, listen then. Talk where you talk.
Good girl, alright. When you forget something for me. One youth who used to work for me. Him they steal something from me. In them father house. All you have to do is go in the house, take the something and leave it exactly in the location. I'm gonna tell you to leave it. You understand?
You want me for breaking at somebody's house? That's a madness.
You know what could be madness? When you and your daughter live on the street. So tell me now, a madness that make her give you 100,000 just for do this for me?
Really? 100,000? Stop tell lie.
What me I lie to you for? You know, say you weren't the first person I called from this call center. You were just the only one that accepted this challenge.
Alright, me do it for you.
Good girl. I will send you the address later.